Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about the weekly chart of Pampa Energia. Now, if you are looking at the chart at first instance, you can see that the stock has made a big dip from the highs of 2018 till 2020. Now, it is on a moving spree and it's been moving on the upside. So, there is a retracement that has been going on since 2020 March, and the stock has done quite well, I would say, because although you can't see some serious moves, but it has moved 120%, 120, 21% with quite a steadiness. Now, there are lots of things that we need to discuss over here. We will start with the current trend as well as the price action that's been going on. So let me stretch this chart a bit. Now, first thing you will see, so this was the high that the stock has made in the year 2010. And if you are looking at the current price action, you can see that the stock is holding above its previous resistance of 2010-11. So it means technically it is a breakout. That is the first thing. So this will 19.32 will become your immediate support. Okay, 19.32 will become your immediate support. Also, if I draw a line like this, something like this, you will see that the stock is taking support above this line, and this line will be your mark of reference. 15.84 is the level that we are looking at for the stop loss. So this is the level below which one should not carry any further positions on the downside. So these are the two things that you need to remember, and if it continues to sustain above these two levels, we are going to look at the upside. So both the conditions are satisfied as of now, and that's why we are going to look for an upside, and what will probably happen in the upcoming days, weeks, and probably months. So if I analyze the chart going forward and start calculating the target, so the first 2 or 3 levels that we will get something like this. So the first target that we are looking here beyond 19.32 will be 25.4. After 25.4 we have 32.19, we have 40.3. Okay, so these are your 3 primary targets that we are looking at. Now beyond 40.3 we will definitely go for the previous high of 2018, and beyond 40.3 we have 52.27, and we have 72.8. So these are the levels that we are looking at individually, so that the stock can retest its previous high. Now there is another thing to look at, that what if the stock moves beyond 72.8, because if you are looking at the overall trend, the swing looks much bigger than $72. In that case, if I draw a trend line like this, okay, so if I draw a channel like this, beg your pardon, if I draw a channel like this, you will see that because last time when the swing has started from 2013, it went up to 2017 and 18 highs. Now it is happening from the lows of 2020 as well, so we can't say that it will not happen second time. So this is the trend. So beyond 72, if the stock sustains, in that case the big target that we are observing in the longer term, which means in the upcoming months and years, will be in between 150 and 180. Now this will definitely take a couple of years, because the stock has a history not moving like 5,000, 10,000% in 2 months. This will be a slow and steady mover, and the trend is suggesting the same. At least the trend is suggesting the same, that it has started moving slowly and steadily from the lows and keeps on moving higher after making multiple bases. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.